movement for the high school boys contestant towards the saluting base on the checker of our national flag, led by Lasangyan of Class 10. Next contingent are back for high school girls contingent, marching towards the saluting base on our national flag, led by Larama Isangit of Class 10.